Generally, people do not have good quality sleep. A lot of patients I talk to will say, "Yeah, I get my 8 hours," or I'm in bed by 11, I'm up by 8 or whatever. I get my 8 hours, I'm fine. But what you don't realize is that the quality of that sleep matters. Now, I got this thing called an Aura Ring. If I'm sure some of you have heard of it, some of you may have not, but the Aura Ring is essentially something that tracks your sleep. So it goes on, there's little sensors inside the ring. It connects to an app on your smartphone, but it measures the different cycles of sleep that you're in. It measures your activity throughout the day. It measures when you're sleeping. It measures your body temperature, your heart rate, your breathing rate, all of these things. Measures your heart rate variability, which is your sympathetic, parasympathetic activity and balance. And when I first started wearing this ring, I've always had, what I thought to be good sleep. So I was getting the right amount of sleep in terms of time. But what I always realized was that I wasn't getting my deep sleep. Every morning I wake up, my sleep quality would all be good except for my deep sleep. It would always be in the red. I was never able to get the deep sleep. And the deep sleep is what reduces your inflammation and resets you for the next day. And so you're waking up kind of, oh, I slept, but you're always kind of tired, and I could never get my deep sleep good. And then I'm actually taking this sleep course right now by Dr. Mark Hyman. So if you want to Google drmarkhyman.com and look up sleep, he's got a free sleep course right now that I've been recommending to a number of my patients to take, because it just talks about things you can do throughout the day, right? Sleep actually starts in the morning as soon as you wake up. So exposing yourself to light first thing in the morning helps your body to reset your circadian rhythms. I actually have a blue light right here in front of me that in the morning I go outside now first thing in the morning, which has helped me now. Now my deep sleep is no longer in the red. Also, things like eating your biggest meals earlier in the day and eating smaller portions for dinner, because when you sleep, your body is trying to metabolize and clear out all the waste products and stuff. But if it's there trying to digest food, it can't do that, and that prevents you from getting into that deep sleep. So some of these changes that I made have allowed me now to get into that deep sleep, and the results and how you feel are just remarkable, and how much better you feel. So try to look at things that can get you good quality sleep. I would recommend the Mark Hyman sleep course for sure. It's a free thing that's going on right now, and they have a lot of people on there talking about it. It's really good.